Welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we've discussed about string modification, and in this video, we shall be talking about string concatenation, meaning joining strings together. So joining strings in Python is a very important concept. So at times we will be required to join two strings together, and sometimes the need may even arises to join string with a number, just like we've experienced in our user input lessons, where we create a basic calculator program where we join a string and a number. So let's actually go ahead and discuss specifically about string concatenation in this lesson. Now, to join two strings together, let's actually define two separate strings. Let's say A is equals to hello and B is equals to world. Okay, now let's go ahead and concatenate or join these two strings together. Now let's go ahead and join them inside another variable called C, for instance, is equals to A plus B. So this is basically how we concatenate or join two strings together using the concatenation operator, which is the plus symbol right here. So here, the plus symbol on string serves as a concatenation operator, not the normal plus in the mathematical operation. So now let's go ahead and print our C, our concatenated string. So let's go ahead and say print C. Now we should have hello world. Let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, we have hello world. But if you realize, you're going to see that we do not have space right here on our result. Hello world is merged together as one word. So you can simply specify a space right here and rerun our program. As you can see, we have hello world. Or you can provide a space right here in the result by saying space, add another concatenation operator, and then provide a space in between like this. All will work fine. As you can see, we have hello world. So this is basically how to concatenate two strings together using the concatenation operator, the plus symbol. But as we have seen and experienced in our previous lesson, we cannot concatenate a string with number using the plus operator. What I mean by this is, let's actually go ahead and do something else. Let's actually go ahead and comment this line of code. Instead of concatenating our variables inside another variable C, let's actually go ahead and do like this. Let's say A plus B. Let's just go ahead and concatenate our string inside of our print function, something like this. And now if we run our program, we're going to see hello world. Let's actually provide this space right here. Let's say hello world. And now let's try to change the value of B to 5 to an integer, a number. And now if you go ahead and run our program, we're going to run into an error because we cannot concatenate string and number using the plus operator. So let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, can only concatenate string to string, not int. So if you remember, even in our previous video, that is the user input lesson, we used the comma to concatenate between string and number. So now the solution is we should just go ahead and change the plus sign to comma, and now we are good to go. Now our concatenation is absolutely fine. So let's go ahead and run our program and see. Now as you can see, hello 5. Now please take note, the problem is you cannot concatenate a number and string using the plus operator. You can only concatenate string and string using the plus operator, the plus concatenation operator. But when it comes to concatenation between string and number, go ahead and use the comma instead of the plus symbol. And that will be it for this video. I hope the concept of string concatenation is very much clear to you now. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I will see you in the next one.